Hi again everyone. JaLingo's expression of the week is dryland tourist. A dryland tourist is a Jamaican who's never been off the island but speaks with a foreign accent, especially when speaking to tourists and other foreigners. A dryland tourist may also refer to someone who brags a lot but really has nothing. A Jamaican who has never left the island and still acts like a big shot or the big thing. You may hear an islander use the term dryland tourist in a scenario such as this. Now pay him no mind, a dryland tourist that man. Even visa him have and a beer twang him at one. What this means is that you shouldn't pay him any mind because he's a Jamaican who doesn't own a visa, yet he's speaking with a foreign accent. For those of you who do not know, a visa is a permit stamped in your passport which allows you to enter another country free of restrictions. Related words to dryland tourist, a poser, yardie, or Jamaican. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.
Nobody can cross it. It's only who understand it. Like a fisherman and a fisherwoman who can swim. If you cannot swim, trust me, you're going to Santa Mas.